RBS Business Research Academy welcomes to you in the lecture number 19. In this lecture, simply I'm going to discuss how you can report the results of the simple mediation analysis, which we discussed in the video lecture number 18. So this is a wonderful paper which I have got, and with the help of this research paper, I will guide you how you can report the results of this of your mediation analysis. So, either in the prose form or either in a tabular form. Normally, we face some problems sometimes how we can report. Although different research papers are there and they have reported their smart PLS results in the different way. So I thought this one is a wonderful. That's why I'm here to share. Otherwise, you are intimidated to follow any other method to report the results of your mediation analysis. So let us start our discussion. Okay, but my name is Dr. Rainberg Sumro, and I'm from Shabati University. And dear viewers, you are looking here my certificate, which I earned from the Smart PLS Academy after completing their online course on the Smart PLS. So let's start our discussion. So dear friend, this is our paper. So name of this paper is Conditional Mediation of the Competitive Strategy and Environment in International Entrepreneur Orientation of Family Business. This paper. So we are looking inside this paper. Okay, mediator leads the conception of the two relations. On one hand, now mediator basically creates the relationship between the two relations. Okay, so now international entrepreneur orientation affect the competitive strategy. So this is our direct relationship is there. So in this one, we are adding another mediator. Oh, by the way, I also left the link of this paper from where you can download this paper. Okay, now the results. Two different steps were scoped in order to read the PLS. Same one was the analysis of measuring model or measurement model, and another was the structural model. So my dear friends, my more than 8 videos are available on measuring the results of the measurement model as well as on measuring or assessing the results of the structural model. If you have time, please go through all these ones. So now the guarantee that the measuring scale proposed in the valid array. Now, if you are getting a valid results and we are getting the good results according to all the benchmarks, that means that it is a guarantee to you that your results are valid and reliable. And then, okay, analysis of structural model. First step consists on the verifying the relationship between the international entrepreneurship orientation and the international performance. So first we need to check the direct relationship between the independent and if it is significant, then we can go. So here this is significant. How this is significant from this one? Beta is 0.61 and the positive relationship is there, and the p value, significant value, is less than 0.99 or 0.001. So it shows the relationship. That relationship is significant. Okay. Second, introduce the mediator effect. Now we have introduced the mediator. It's removable to that indirect effect is positive. So now here you are looking this is the indirect effect. Now it is significant, and this also shows it's a significant between the entrepreneur orientation and the international performance, and R square is 64%. R square is there. Okay, and then we are going like the below. Okay, so here some more good results are available there, and the significant between the IEO and the competitor. So now the T is a 0.075 and the P value is 0.001 between these two. So that is also a significant relationship. And then we included the mediation. Then the mediation does not eliminate the direct effect completely, given the direct relationship between the international entrepreneur orientation and the international performance, because our relationship is that means the 0.27, 0.25. That relationship is a 0.25. Okay, and that is also significant at a level of the 0.99%. Mediation occurs. Okay, mediation occurs. So now Baron and Kenny, they have done a wonderful job on the mediation. Although this is not the full mediation, because it's not the full mediation. Okay, so how much does the mediator very good influence? That is a question. So if there is mediation, okay, but up to what level the mediation is there? Okay, so now through this one we can know. So here to measure the extent of the indirect value, variance accounted for, okay, denotes the magnitude of indirect effect comparison to total effect. Now this is the formula to check out this one: direct plus indirect, okay, and equal to the variance. So now here variance we can compute with the help of the A1 into B1 divided by A1 into B1 plus C. So that's our formula through which we can calculate our the account variance value for the variance with the visa. How much variance is there? Our variance is the 62%. So now 62% falls between the 20% to 20 to 80%. So that means there's a partial mediation. Okay. So these results are also confirming the same thing in here. Okay. And then if you go back, okay, now the same thing, the same results are here. Okay, so earlier we presented our result in the closed form in the verse. Now, if you are required to present into the tabular form, so now here we have also the same thing here. So now structural model, okay, path coefficient, beta values, t values, r square, and supported, either hypothesis supported or not. So now direct model that is supported, t value and p value, r square is, and this also supported. Okay, these three static. So these you're looking these three statics. Those three statics are basically here. Okay, p these three statics. That means that's significant at the level of the 0.001. Okay, these are based on t. These are the bootstrapping 5,000 sample size. Okay, and the one test is there. Then the mediation effect is there. So all the mediation, they are significant. Okay. And as you know about the values, that was between the 80 to 20%. So that means we can conclude here that there is a partial mediation in this model. Okay. I hope that this video is again the fruitful for you. So at the end, please take care of yourself and take care of this channel. Thank you very much for liking this video.